Look, the last time I posted about my Supercharged Mustang here, I proved to the world that this was a real supercharger. And it went viral. But still have the doubters. People were saying that this pulley wasn't spinning, that this was in fact the belt off of a Kia and the same pulley that went with that same Kia. And this was a piece of 3-inch exhaust tubing that I cut in half and expanded. What, next you're probably gonna tell me that that's not a real Caterpillar dump truck. But I don't know what it's gonna take to prove to you that this is a real Supercharged Mustang. I hate that I'm having to do this, but here's more proof.
Got him!